if he dies, I'll sue Duffer Brothers. डायरेक्टर को कोई धमकी.
सब लोग आएंगे, इंडिया वाले सब लोग आके आपको मारेंगे. Please don't do that. I loved it. The climax episode. It was just it was something out of the world.
जिसको आप नहीं देखना चाहते.
Erica.
Erica? How is Erica annoying?
It feels like it's going to be a lot more sad.
Yes.
Yeah, but I just hope that it
It's
turns
not
out
that
pretty
sad.
good. Yeah, Steve will
Yeah,
die.
he's going to
Steve
die.
should not die. Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to FPJ Showbiz. I am Priyam Tripathi and today we are here at the Marine Drive. Why you think? Well, the Duffer Brothers recently teased the Stranger Things ending that Steve Harrington is going to die. And I am personally devastated, but who cares what I think? So let's go and talk to people and find out how they are feeling about this endgame. First thing first, have you watched season 5?
Yes. I
Did you
was
like
waiting for it for so long. I watched season 4 again to just get into the feeling of season 5.
Okay. So you liked it?
A lot.
I loved it. The climax episode. It was just it was something out of the world, and the scene was very unexpected because Will getting the power and he discovering that he was a sorcerer was something very out of the box thing. So I was looking forward.
कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
It was amazing. Like Will being the sorcerer,
Yeah.
it was so unexpected. Yeah, I'm just looking forward to 25th and then the New Year's Eve. Sadly, we don't have that in theaters.
Yeah.
It's such a sad thing. But yeah, I'm very very excited for the volume 2.
Yeah. So recently, Jimmy Fallon के show पे Duffer Brothers has teased that Steve Harrington is going to die.
Listen, I skipped that reel. I skipped that reel on purpose because I did not want it to be true. Okay. Steve can't die. I found out that he was supposed to die in season 1, but because Joe was too
people like
charismatic, they had to make him stay. So they have to make him stay now. Please.
But the ending is short already. What would be your reaction if he dies?
No, if he dies, I'll sue Duffer Brothers.
Yes.
I can't stress this enough. He can't die, okay? None of them can die. Steve and Robin can't die. They are like my favorite pair.
Okay.
Please. Then the next volume would be
Devastating.
Yeah.
That Steve Harrington is going to die. So what is your reaction?
Steve is everyone's loved character, and I think that Steve is. If Steve dies, I can't take that. Please. Steve can't die. Please.
Okay. Steve Harrington is going to die. So what is your reaction to that?
Fine with that.
You don't like Steve?
Yeah. They teased Bob is gonna come back or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, okay. Or you like Steve? No. Who do you like then? Millie Bobby Brown. Okay. If you have to name a favorite character on the show, who would be your favorite character?
I think Mike, because I have a crush on both Mike and Finn Wolfhard.
Okay.
I think he's very cute. He's a good boyfriend.
Okay. He's a good boyfriend. Are
Yeah,
you sure? He doesn't
2-11.
say I love you.
Yeah, they had a few issues in there. I think it's only because he's cute. Don't judge me.
Okay. Which favorite character?
Steve Harrington.
Steve Harrington. Okay. ठीक है. Who is your favorite character in the show? Will.
Dustin.
Dustin. Okay.
Elle and Mike.
Elle and
I
Mike.
love them. They're like such good couple. I also like Steve.
Yeah.
Yes, he's very
And
handsome.
whom do you find? Yeah, I agree on that. Whom do you find most annoying in the show? कि ये नहीं होगा तो भी चल जाएगा.
I don't know, man. The most annoying. If I say Vecna, that would be not
Maybe,
valid, I
yeah.
think. Annoying? Nobody is annoying actually.
You find
Not
everyone.
really. I liked all the characters.
Yeah.
I think Joyce this season because she was too much.
Will.
Will every time she was on the case like Will we have to do this and then it's Joyce.
Okay. जिसको आप नहीं देखना चाहते.
Erica.
Erica. How is Erica annoying?
I don't like her.
इतने सारे memes उसने ही दिए यार.
I don't like her.
You. No one, na? Yeah. Right.
Annoying. Ted.
Ted?
Yes. Ted Wheeler. Yeah,
Okay.
I do.
Okay. So if, as you said, Duffer Brothers kill the character, your favorite character. What is the message that you will want to pass him on? One word. If Steve Harrington dies, what would you like to say to him?
No. Please.
Okay.
I would like to say if Steve is getting killed in this at the end of the series,
Yeah.
I'm like, Steve, you gave your best. You and Dustin, you were the best thing that ever happened to this show.
और डायरेक्टर को कोई धमकी for killing.
डायरेक्टर को धमकी, भाई सब लोग आएंगे, इंडिया वाले सब लोग आके आपको मारेंगे. Please don't do that.
Yeah, okay. So the internet is a wild place of theories. There are many theories come online. Which is the most bizarre theory you have ever heard that you think might actually be true?
Bizarre, that
Yeah.
might be true.
Yeah.
Some people are saying that Vecna might be 11's father, which is weird as hell, bro. Vecna can't be 11's father. I just read this on some page.
Yeah.
I hope it's not true to be. But they were going on about this Broadway show that the Duffer Brothers did,
Yeah,
where they show the backstory of Vecna and how
Yeah,
he
yes,
actually found out about the Upside Down accidentally by going into the rocks. So if that is true, actually that overlaps with a lot of elements in the show. But they might do something about it.
Okay.
The theory that I think can be true is that all this is based on a book that is going on in Mike's head. That everything happened in the show is going to be a book which is related to Mike, because like they teased us with an scene where Hopper and Mike was sitting and he was back to being that cop and police chief. So I guess that
Oh
it
my
was all
God.
theory.
Okay. Then इंटरनेट पे बहुत सारी थियरीज आती है स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स की. कोई ऐसी थियरी सुनी है जो सुन के लगता है कि हाँ ये ट्रू हो सकता है? नहीं सुनी. You? No. Okay. And since the volume 2 is coming, so you are obviously excited for it. But इंटरनेट पे बहुत सारी थियरीज आती है आजकल. तो कोई थियरी आपने सुनी हो जो सुन के ऐसा लगता हो कि शिट यार ये ट्रू हो गया तो फिर क्या होगा?
Yeah, I had the theory about the 20 when they were playing D&D and they
Yeah,
got
yeah.
the 20 on that.
Yeah.
So the theory was L8 Kali, her
Yeah.
sister, and then Will, who is Vecna, so 001.
Yeah.
So that theory, I think it's pretty strong. Yeah.
Okay, so you think that
yeah,
might be
I think
true.
it might be true. Yeah.
And have you seen the volume 2 trailer?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes,
What
God,
is coming?
yes.
Are you ready?
I am ready. We have actually planned a whole scenario. I'll go to a friend's house and we have all the lights on and stuff on the 25th.
Have you seen the volume?
No, I haven't seen it yet, but I will.
Seen the trailer? Yeah, are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Well, that was the reaction to people finding out that Steve is going to die. What are your reaction? Comment below. And for more such raw and unfiltered reaction, make sure you
Subscribe to Free Press Journal. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, guys.
Please subscribe the Free Press Journal. Very nice questions they are asking, and I love talking about Stranger Things. And thank you for finding me here and making me talk about it.
subscribe to FPJ Show.